Hi, Mark here. Just wanted to show you real quickly the all work orders repair code totals by repair code report. And just as a quick refresher, or in case you don't know, I'm going to go ahead and double click on a work order here. And then we're going to go over here to the labor completed or parts and materials used, and you can see the repair code listed here. Now if I double click on this, you can see at the bottom of this screen and at the bottom of the labor screen is where you can choose your repair code. It comes with 15 repair codes from us, along with a little description, and you can edit those descriptions or add more if you want to under forms, and then drop down list maintenance and then repair codes. You can also add a repair code on the fly from here if you want to. The repair codes give the ability to categorize each item, labor or parts, within a work order. So you may have a single work order with different categories in it. That way you don't have to create a separate work order for a different type of category. And you'll be able to see what you're spending on those categories with this report I'm going to show you now. There is another report that gives you more summary type data, but this one gives you a little bit more detail, what I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to go ahead and close that, save and close that. Go up here to reports, more reports, then we're going to choose work orders, then we're going to choose all work orders, repair code totals by repair code. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the repair code called service. Actually, no, I'm just going to leave this blank. We're not going to choose a specific repair code in this case, but you do have the ability to choose a specific repair code. You would put that on both sides here, from and to, if you want to do a specific one. You have also the ability to look for at a specific work order number. You can also look for specific equipment, and you could look for a completed date range. So I'm going to go ahead and use a date range. So I'm going to do just January of 2019 through 2/1/2019, and we'll go ahead and preview that. So we can see here that the first repair code at the top is 01, and the description of that repair code is tires. So if I kind of scroll through this till we get to the end of the tires category, we can see right there at the end here it says work order total repair code for 01 tires. So for the basically 2/1/2019, or actually 1/1/2019 through 2/1/2019, there was $6,000 spent on the entire fleet. All right, and so each repair code has its total at the end of its section, and you can go to the very end of the report, and it'll show you at the bottom. It shows you the work order totals for this entire report. This is all of the repair codes for the entire report. So that's how you use that report, and you can also sort this by the repair code, or by equipment number, or by the equipment sort order number, which is a numeric value you could assign to a piece of equipment. You can sort it by work order ID or by date completed. One more thing, let me go ahead and open that back up again just to show you. So if I'm going to go past the tires to, we can use engine. So we've got engine. You can see here how it shows you a column. It shows you the work order ID, the completed date, equipment number, the work order type, whether it's parts or labor, and what the item is and what the cost was for that item if it's been entered. So if we keep going down here, actually it doesn't look like there was any labor items entered into this database for engine. And then if we go over here to service, looks like we have a lot of labor. Or instead we have labor and parts under the service category. So that gives you the totals for service, and that kind of combines everything together, labor and parts. There's another video that I'll be creating that shows you another report over here called reports, and then all equipment reports, and then repair codes, cost per per hour report. And this is a pretty cool report. It shows you some pretty cool stuff and more summary type data instead of the details of every single work order. All right, so hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.